Hello everyone, this is Mayank Sanghvi from vlemon.com and I'm back with another e-commerce admin panel tutorial series video, and in this video we are going to learn about how to create our development environment. Let's start and create our development environment for Ubuntu. For our development environment we require PHP and MySQL. For this we are going to install Xampp. Why Xampp? Because Xampp is available free of cost and it is available for Windows, Mac and Ubuntu. This is our Ubuntu machine. For this video, we are going to refer this blog post. This blog post URL is available in the description of this video, or you can click on this notification icon. For downloading Apache, we need to visit on apachefriends.org download page. For this, I'm going to click on this download URL and then we need to scroll, and this is download option for Linux. I'm going to select 7.2.3, PHP 7.2.3, the last option. I'm going to click on download 64-bit button to download Xampp installer. Yes, I want to save this file. For this, I'm going to click on OK and wait for the download to complete. Finally, our Xampp installer download is completed successfully. Now for installing Xampp, I'm going to open terminal. For opening terminal, I'm going to press Ctrl Alt T from my keyboard, or you can click on here and then you can search for terminal. Here is our terminal. So let me close this. I'm going to select my terminal. Now I want to copy some commands from my blog post. For this, I'm going to close this tab. It is no longer required. Again, I don't want this anymore, so I'm going to close this. So this is our blog post. I'm going to select Ubuntu installation step, Xampp installation for Ubuntu. Our Xampp installer is available inside download. So let me open this downloads. So this is our Xampp installer file. Okay, for this we need to open the same path inside terminal. For this, I'm going to first open terminal. Now we need to open our download folder. For this, I'm going to type cd and then downloads. We are in download folder. So let me type ls, and this is our Xampp installer file. Next thing, we need to change the permission for our Xampp installer.run file. Right now, if we are trying to execute this file, we are not able to execute it. Let's try to execute it. So I'm going to copy this. Oops. I think I need to use my mouse. So I'm going to click on copy and I want to run this. So I'm going to paste this, and right now the permission is denied. Now let me execute the same command with super user privileges. For this, I'm going to type sudo svu and then enter. Enter your password here. Okay, and let me try to execute the same command, copy and then paste. Enter. Again, permission is denied. Okay, so we need to change the permission for this file. For this, I'm going to open my blog post, and from here we need to, okay, so I did not provide the command. So command is chmod 777 and then our file name. Okay, so it is available inside my blog post image. So we are going to use chmod 777. Okay, so let me open my terminal. I'm going to type chmod and then we need to provide our file permission. It's 7. Oh my, it's 777, and then we need to provide our file name. This is our Xampp installer file name, and then I'm going to press enter. Okay, that's it. We are done. Again, I'm going to execute this command with super user privileges. Okay, so let me copy this command and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, if you execute any command previously, you can use your arrow key also. So let me press enter. Now follow the instruction. Welcome to the Xampp setup wizard. Select the components you want to install. Clear the components you do not want to install. Click next when you are ready to continue. Xampp code file Y cannot be editable. Xampp developer file. Let me type Y and then enter. Is the selection above correct? Yes, definitely. Installation directory Xampp will be installed to opt lamp folder. Yes, I'm fine with this. Press enter to continue. Setup is now ready to begin installing Xampp on your computer. Do you want to continue? Yes, definitely. So I'm going to type Y and then enter. Now wait for the installer to complete. Finally, our Xampp installation is completed successfully. Now let's try to visit localhost. For this, I'm going to select Firefox. I'm going to open a new tab and then I'm going to type localhost. So our Xampp Apache server is currently running. So our Apache services are running. Let's try to visit PHP MyAdmin. For this, I'm going to open a new tab and then I'm going to type PHP MyAdmin here. Enter. So access is denied. Now we need to start our MySQL services. Okay, not an issue. For this, I'm going to open a new instance for terminal. Okay, here I'm going to open cd opt lamp. Okay, right now we are on lamp. So let me list everything. And now for starting the services for Xampp, we need to use a lamp command. For this, I'm going to type lamp. Okay, and now here we have all the available options. If we are going to click on start Xampp, Apache MySQL, and eventually others. Start Apache, start only Apache. Start MySQL, start only MySQL. So right now our Xampp is running perfectly. Our Apache is running perfectly. We need to start the services for MySQL. For this, I'm going to type lamp and then I'm going to simply type start MySQL. That's it. And we have a warning. You need to be root to perform this action. So I'm going to type sudo su. Then we need to enter our password. And now I'm going to type lamp. I'm going to type start MySQL. That's it. Our MySQL services are started successfully. Let me refresh this page one more time. And this is our PHP MyAdmin. Okay. Now, if you want to stop Apache or MySQL services, we need to use the specific stop command. For stopping Apache, we need to type stop Apache. If you want to stop MySQL, we can type stop MySQL. So let me quickly demonstrate all this. So I'm going to type /lamp. Then I want to stop MySQL. Let me refresh it one more time. Yes, access denied. And this time I'm going to say stop Apache. Okay. And now our local host is not working. Okay, let's try one more command. I'm going to type lamp and then I'm going to select start. It is going to start Apache and MySQL. Our Apache is running, our MySQL is running, and if I want to stop everything, I'm going to type lamp and stop. Enter. Xampp stopping Apache, Xampp stopping MySQL, Xampp stopping Pro FTPD. Okay, let's refresh it one more time. Again, we are not able to access anything. In our next video, we are going to create a virtual host. We are going to create a local instance for our website, and then we are going to use the local instance for our website for the entire tutorial series. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, share it with your friend, provide your feedback, and see you all in next video. Some important URLs.